Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am ready to set up May in both my mini happy planner and my classic horizontal planner. So the way that it's going to work now is because I've switched over to, I guess, my catch-all being the vertical. I'm going to be doing the monthlies in that planner. I'm trying to organize it in my head here. So before, the month of April was done in the dashboard layout, but now that I've switched that to the social media, my monthly spread will go in the vertical. That's probably a lot more complicated. I'm making it sound a lot more complicated than I can't even say the word complicated. Making it sound more complicated than it actually is. Anyway, but then I'll also do my classic horizontal spread, and that is a gratitude spread, and I will be decorating both in beauty and florals. Let's get started. All right, so I'm actually really excited to be using beauty and florals. I was thinking, oh, I thought didn't think I had, or I thought I used these already, but I guess I hadn't. So I'm really excited to be using these. And I'm going to take, what I essentially do is put the two tops of the pages together so that I can put a sticker right across the top of both. And then that way I'm not really wasting a sticker. It really, although saying that, I mean this whole top part, before I even do that, let's cut that. I'm all over the place today. So let's just make sure to cut it straight across that. Okay, and I can't find my scissors anywhere for some reason. I don't know what I've done with them. But look at the effect that has already. So what I'm thinking is, because there's all this space up here, I could put just, I guess, a really nice quote there. Ooh, this washi. So I feel like there's a little bit more freedom in what I can do there. But let me just see. I think it'll have to be the washi that goes there because it's so pretty. But I love all this as well. I think what I might do, oh, look at that. I love this book. Okay, so let's find the washi that's gonna fit here. And just put that straight across, and already I love it. And cut with my X-Acto knife. And then put the other half here. Now, will this fit right across, or will I have to get a new one? I feel like I have to get a new one. Yeah, I do. Because I want it to go all the way across. It's such a pretty decoration, and I will probably do the same thing in the classic horizontal, which, there we go. I really, really like that. Oh, gorgeous. And then what I think I need to find now is a really nice quote that goes along there. The thing is, I don't know if this book has a quote like that. The quotes that I think are in this are, what I'm going to look into, let's see, I think Pressed Florals might have some, although they are very bright. There's those. Embrace your own pace. I like that. Again, but it's too big. Too big. Yes, I'm picky. Let's do the embrace your own pace. And see how I'd be able to put it down. I'd have to probably cut. I'm going to cut this off here. So we put the embrace your on this side. And then on paste. Be on this side. I enjoy that very much. Thank you, pressed florals. We'll put you away for now. Then I feel like there's, what is under, oh, that's my pen. Like something is underneath the table that I'm working with. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next then is actually, I won't decorate all of this as of yet. I want to go in and put down, where are they? Oh, I used all of those. The icons, and these icons will be for bills, things like that. But the first thing I need to do is find my tweezers. I cannot find anything this morning. This afternoon. It's afternoon, Karina. Seriously? Hold on. Found it. Okay. So, looking at what to do for bills. So, let's do this. I have Shaw and line of credit. And the kids have activities that day actually, so how am I going to get that in here? I could, no. And the thing with this particular sticker book is that unless you already have the boxes, I think I'll probably have to use mod liners, and that's okay. And then the next one will be Pet Plan, which is coming out on the 5th. When's my payday? The 5th is also my payday. So, let's do this too. So payday, then, hey guys, sorry about that. I thought I had pressed record, but I guess I didn't. So I added the rest of the bills in here, and then I went and used my mild liner, so I used the purple and the blue to highlight the kids' activities, and then I added a few more florals down the side here. I'm going to go ahead and start writing all of the bills that are due, and then once that's done, I will show you the finished product. Alright, so there's the finished monthly spread for my mini. So what I've done is all of these icons are for bills or for my paydays, and then any actual appointments or things for me and my kids, I've done it in the mild liner, and then I added my massages and when I'm donating blood as well. So really the way that I use the monthly spread is just kind of to look ahead for any plans that we have, and it really is just a way for me to look at where my bills fall in the month. This isn't where I keep track of my spending. My spending I do all on a spreadsheet, but it's nice to use my monthly spread in this way. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and then move on to the classic monthly spread, which is what I use as a gratitude journal. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so for the monthly spread, I can decorate with just as many florals as I did in the last one, but let's just see. I really like that. And where did I put all the florals? There we go. You know, when you put them, don't put them back in the right spot. Now, let's see if I can just put this right here or up here. I can put this here. Then, where is that washi? There we go. Okay, so I'm going to continue, I guess, using what I can of these. But what I'd like to do as well, I may have to pull out the pressed florals again for a really good quote. Choose happy. I may use that one. Or the believe you can. Let's do that. The believe you can. Go. I love big quotes like that. And then Thank you, Pressed Florals. And then actually what I can do is add this floral just here. And what I'm going to do actually is grab this trusty washi, if you guys can hear Lucy, my trusty washi that I think goes so well with Beauty and Florals. Just, I don't know what it is, but I love that washi with everything here. So then I'm going to just take this washi out, washi strip, and just kind of place it randomly throughout the spread. There's no reasoning as to why or where I put this on the spread. It's more just I feel like putting it there. And here. And then take maybe a smaller one like this one for here. Although I do want to be able to cut it. So let's do this. And I don't want it to look exactly the same as the one on top, and already it's not because I put it down crooked. Okay, and then go down. Then this last one here in the corner. Okay. And then what I'll do is add a little bit of washi to each of those. Because just, I think the washi just does something for the spread. So let's add some more washi here. And what I think I'm also going to add, I don't know what it is. This washi is incredible. It just helps to add that extra dimension to all of the spreads that I put it on. Then I'm gonna find, actually I really like this, the happy. I'm placing the happy down like so. There's happy. What I think I'm going to try and look for is these. This is what I wanted. So I like the Keep Going Girl, although it does take up a bit of space. I want to make sure I still have enough room to write down something that I am thankful for. So that is really what I use this spread for. It's just every day I find one thing that I am grateful for and write it in that spot, and it's so nice to be able to look back on it and see. How come I always miss this spot? I always miss that. I'm gonna put that here, then put, oh come on, this white one here with the blue, and then I think, oh, let's see if we just could add that. I feel like this is too, and this is why I need my scissors. I cannot find my scissors anywhere and it's driving me crazy. I'm gonna split this in half as best as I can. And place one here. Ooh, I like that. And one, it's just gonna look like that. Oh, I don't know what it is, but I love it. All right. Do you think I need to add anything else, guys? No, I enjoy that. I really enjoy that. All right, but that is it for the monthly spread in my classic horizontal. So let me just show you quickly. once the spread has actually been written in, and I mean, there's some days that I've missed because I fall behind in journaling, because that's what happens in life. But it looks really good once it's all filled out. And I'm trying to find one that is all filled out. And I don't, because there are days that I just forget. But overall, it just looks so cute. I try to practice a little hand lettering as well. It looks really cute once it is all filled in. And it's something that, it's a practice that I've really gotten into. I don't know how long I've been doing that. I think really ever since I started journaling, and it's such a good practice to get into, and I'm really glad that I do have it to look back on. All right, so there are my two spreads for May, the one for my mini and the one for the classic horizontal. And I love how they match, but they look completely different because I am using them for two different things. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.